Hi, today I'm going to show you how can we use StoryboardThat to make videos. First, we can sign up either with Google account or you can use Facebook. After you sign up, you go to your dashboard. It looks like this way. Click on Create a Storyboard. First, you choose your scene. There are so many you can choose from, either outdoor or school or nighttime. It's your choice. And then you can create your characters. Find the characters that you like, and you can change the hair color, skin color, eyes, or any outfit. And you can even choose the different kind of pose. Is speaking or talking or happy or walking. When you insert the characters inside the scene, you can reshape it and change the size. And give it a name. We can insert textable bubbles. The bubbles you can choose from many shapes, and you select the font, type in the text, and you can choose the text from Chinese, Spanish, or French. You create your dialog, and you can change the font size and color. If you don't have enough tile, you can add more tiles, and they have different layout you can choose from. And we can insert audio. When you start the recording, don't forget you have to allow StoryboardThat to use your microphone. After you finish doing the recording, don't forget to change the privacy setting. Make visible for anyone can view. And by doing this way, people can watch it. You can save in your folder to get organized. These are some examples I use for the story. When you try to find your storyboards that you have done, it's over here, My Storyboards, so you can find your creation. We can view by the entire class now. And they have teacher's guide, and how do you do it, you can give it a more look. That is all. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.